In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Shopify and Xero for accurate accounting. By the end, you'll have a reliable connection that keeps your sales, taxes, and payouts flowing into Xero with far less manual work and fewer reconciliation headaches. Start inside Xero. From your dashboard, look for the grid icon, sometimes called the app launcher. Click it to open the menu that gives you access to Xero's broader tools and marketplace. In that menu, choose Open Xero App Store. This is where you'll find vetted integrations that work smoothly with your Xero organization. In the App Store, use the search bar and type Shopify. Keep the spelling simple and exact to bring up the right result quickly. From the results, click on Shopify to open the app's detail page. Take a moment here to skim the overview, reviews, and data access notes so you're confident this is the official connector you want. Transparency about what the app can read and create in your ledger is important for compliance and internal controls. When you're ready, click Get this app. That kicks off the secure authorization process. Xero will now ask you to choose where the connection should live. Select an organization that matches the company entity you use for Shopify sales. Picking the correct one matters because all the synced activity will post to that specific ledger. Next, click Allow access. This consent step is standard and enables the app to perform the tasks required for automation, such as creating invoices or journal entries, syncing contacts, and reading account settings. If you ever need to change this later, you can manage or revoke access from your Xero settings, but granting it now is essential for the integration to work. You'll then land on the integration page for the connector. Find and click Connect to Xero to complete the handshake. This final confirmation locks in the connection between your Xero organization and the Shopify app you selected. A brief load or confirmation message is normal here. At this point, your systems are connected and ready for configuration according to your business needs. A few quick tips as you proceed. Make sure you're signed in with the right user permissions in Xero, temporarily disable any strict pop-up blockers during authorization, and double-check you chose the correct organization before confirming access. Once live, keep an eye on your first sync to ensure sales, tax, and payout data look exactly as you expect. That's it. Your Shopify and Xero integration is in place, laying the foundation for accurate, automated accounting.